Hawk Paint's ColorKote is tomorrow's anti-fouling paint available today. ColorKote's next generation formulation incorporates self-polishing, triple biocide, low-leaching chemistry with vibrant color options to provide unparalleled multi-season anti-fouling quality that looks as outstanding as it performs. ColorKote inhibits marine growth, both hard and soft, while providing a vibrant appearance. Its dynamic colors employ groundbreaking triple biocide technology, where each biocide synergizes with its counterpart to deliver anti-fouling performance previously unavailable from bright-colored anti-fouling coatings. ColorKote's advanced chemistry is environmentally focused, leaching less biocide material with lower toxicity into the water and emitting less VOCs into the air, yet proving highly effective in keeping barnacles at bay. ColorKote is compatible with virtually any hull type without the harsh effects of galvanic corrosion that occurs when cuprous oxide in traditional anti-fouling paint reacts with aluminum or steel hulls. This makes ColorKote the ideal paint for all metal-hulled vessels, from steel mega yachts to aluminum pontoon boats. ColorKote is a versatile protective coating that may be taken in and out of the water without affecting its anti-fouling characteristics. It comes backed by the industry's best written guarantee. ColorKote is handcrafted in small production batches from premium quality raw materials and is 100% quality inspected to assure uniform performance and color consistency from batch to batch. ColorKote comes in 6 brilliant colors, including bright white, and gives a compelling reason to apply anti-fouling protection on white hulls where it should be but isn't yet because of looks. Hawk's ColorKote is the anti-fouling paint that you can trust to protect your boat and keep it looking great.